Every morning, I open my daily note in Obsidian. I want everything my thought, my task, my research, and my learning to flow into one single page automatically. When I read a PDF, I don't just highlight it. I want to take notes that are automatically linked back to exact PDF section. So, weeks or months later, I can jump between my notes and the original source effortlessly. That's what future-proof knowledge system looks like. And this entire series is going to be a step-by-step process. Let me repeat, step-by-step process to help you build exactly that system that grows with you, not the other way around. Every day, I open Obsidian to take notes. And within second, I get stuck. Where should I put this note? Should I create a new folder? Should I create a new Obsidian vault for a new topic? Which index node should I connect this node with? This tiny decision fatigue happens to so many of us. You are not alone. I always say, future-proof your note-taking system. Take bite-sized note, they take less time. Build a long-term note-taking habit. This habit alone can make you more productive in the long run. But most of the tutorials stop at showing the tool, not how to build a sustainable system around it. And let's be honest, ideas alone have very little value without action. Part of taking action is creating tasks directly inside your node. Embed your task into your node. But here's the problem I faced. I have more than 6,500 nodes right now. It's almost impossible to manually track all of the tasks scattered inside those nodes. I wish there was a system that could automatically track and curate every single task from all of my nodes into my daily note. And that's exactly what I will teach you in this series. How to build your own automated daily dashboard inside Obsidian. And not just that. Have you ever wished you could connect your notes and PDFs in such a way that you are reading any PDF, you can take notes with bidirectional linking. So later you can navigate from your notes directly to the PDF annotation and from the PDF back to notes. This is so cool, right? And honestly, it changes how my research and how I learn and how I read anything. In this series, you will learn step by step. Let me repeat, step by step. Number 1, how to build an organization system that can adapt to your changing life and career. Number 2, how to take notes on any topic from daily chores to deep learning. Number 3, how to create an automatic daily dashboard that curates your tasks from all nodes. Curate tasks from all nodes to a single dashboard. Number 4, how to build a smart literature review workflow where your PDFs and notes are connected. Throughout this series, I will guide you build something like my Obsidian Starter Kit. It's a completely free kit you can download, experiment with, and customize based on your needs. That is important. You can customize based on your needs. You know, when I started building my note-taking system, I didn't begin with a perfect structure. I just needed something simple that could grow with me. That's how my Obsidian Starter Kit was born. When you open it, you will land on a daily note, your personal control center. There is a short README waiting to guide you step by step. No pressure to learn everything at once. Just explore a little, use what you need, and let the system unfold with you over time. I built this kit after finishing my PhD over 6,000 notes later and teaching Obsidian to thousands of learners. So think of it less like a template and more like a starting point you can shape into your own. The link in the description below. Download it, open in Obsidian, follow the README at your own pace. Build your system as we move through in this series together. This is going to be a journey, not just another note-taking tutorial. So, let's build something powerful step by step and together.